Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to save and load programming templates with Eclo ExpressThermo Windows 10 application. If you work with loggers on a regular basis, you probably have found yourself entering the same programming parameters time and time again. For example, let's say you need to place loggers on your freezers that are storing similar products, therefore will have the same monitoring parameters. Every time you want to program a logger to use in a freezer, the parameters will always be the same, and you'll have to enter the same values every single time. Well, the good news is that ExpressThermo allows you to save a set of programming parameters and options as a template, which you can later on recall to program a logger in a one-click procedure. Let's see how to do this. The first thing you need to do is to set a folder anywhere on your local disk to store the templates files. ExpressThermo will save all your templates into that folder. This means that you can copy templates to other computers and save even more time. Let's set our templates folder, for which we'll create a new folder called ExpressThermo Templates, for example. Assuming you already have ExpressThermo running, go to Settings from the main menu. We will focus on the Programming Templates folder setting on the Advanced tab. Please see our tutorial about ExpressThermo settings for guidance on other configurations. As you can see, there is no folder set at this time. To do so, press this button and choose the folder that you have previously created. Please note that this operation needs to be done only once before you save your first template. There will be no confirmation messages. Your folder definition has immediate effects. Now you are set to save your programming templates. You can do that at any time. You don't have to be actually programming a logger. Just go to the Program Logger page, choosing a logger model. We'll settle with Thermocron DS1921G. Set the values you want. For this example, let's set the sample rate to 10 minutes, and temperature thresholds from -18 to -5 degrees Celsius. To save these settings, all you have to do now is open the commands bar, choose Save Template, and name it. Use mindful names to help you identify them later. Recalling our freezer example, you could name it Ice Cream Freezer. Now that your template is saved, we are done here. Let's go back to main page. At this point you may be wondering, okay, my template is saved, but how do I use it? Pretty simple. Let's go to the Program Logger page, choosing the same logger model you've used to save your template. In our example, that was a Thermocron DS1921G. You can see that all settings have their default values. Notice especially the ones we've changed in our template, sample rate, and temperature thresholds. To load a template, reach for the commands bar and press Load Template. You'll see a list of all templates that you've created previously. In this example, we only have Ice Cream Freezer. So, let's choose it. All at once, settings now have the values you saved. To complete your task, make sure you have a suitable logger connected, and press the Program button. All done, your logger is now programmed. This completes the tutorial about saving and loading programming templates with ExpressThermo. You've learned how to set the folder to save templates, save a programming template, and load it to program a logger. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.